Hello YouTube. Weekend RVing here. We're trying to start this project today. We're gonna try to install our splendid washing machine. So hope you guys enjoy this video and we hope we get it right.
That hole where I'm gonna make a hole over there. I'm gonna go, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it, so I'm gonna go until my pilot hose goes through the other side, and then I'm gonna go to the other side and mask it off with masking tape so I don't chip any of the external of the camper. I don't know if I need to do that or not, but I just want to be safe. That's about it. The hard thing was getting this thing in here. It was really heavy for just me and her, but we made it. It's all the way in. It's all the way in here, so it's pretty good. We're still alive. She's taking the screws out of the back and getting the washer dryer combo set up, and I'm gonna be drilling this hole. So I'm gonna drill it. I measure on the outside. There's a brace right here for the awning, off like right around in this area, and right in here there's a seal that goes through. So as far as I know, it should be fine, like where they say, but you know how these manufacturers are. I'm through. At least my pilot hole is. I'm about that far. So now I'm going to go to the outside and tape it up and see what it looks like. So I'm going to put some masking tape around here just so I don't chip anything. Alright, that should work.
I'm just trying to mess around here. Here's the hole. My turn to climb up the ladder.
Cap here, when the dry zone opens up, we got a bin that covers it. So I'm just going to get that straightened up, and I'm going to put a couple of holes in there. Alright, so I already pre-drilled the pilot holes for the screws. We're going to put silicone all the way around in here. It's really good. I don't want it to leak. Especially around here, around where the screws are going to be. So I got the silicone on there, got the holes drilled. I'm going to attach this thing to the camper.
What things?
I don't know what it's called. Alright, not bad so far for someone who don't know what the heck they're doing. That's it. That's how it's going to be right there.
What is that thing called?
It's some kind of cover, a vent cover.
Washing machine is going in. It actually fits pretty good. We didn't have to take the hinges off, right? We're just gonna slide it in, but I think he needs my help, so.
Well, we got it in there and the vent hose is short. So now we got to go to Lowe's and get a vent hose.
But look, it is all the way in and we're almost there. We just gotta go to Lowe's real quick and get the right size of vent and have put in the brackets down in the bottom so it doesn't move. We'll be right back. 1 second.
Cool.
It's kind of dark. Can't really see. Continuation. We were just trying to finish up with strengthening and adding that bracket so the washing machine don't move.
Alright, so it's completely done. We got the hole cut in. We got the extension for the exhaust. We had to go get one at Lowe's because the one that came with the kit was not very long. And we got these brackets installed, so they don't shake all over the place, which we'll see. And thank God YouTube, because the instructions that came with it there was no instructions, and we looked at everything on YouTube how to do it, and by no means am I a contractor, so I just watched the video on YouTube and did what they did. So pretty easy. They were going to charge me a lot of money at the RV place, I think like $500 to cut that hole, so we saved a lot of money by doing
We
it
can't
ourselves.
turn it on yet because we don't have any power, but
Yeah.
we'll do another video for that, okay?
Yeah, we're not going to have it powered on yet, but we will.
It looks pretty good to me, so hopefully.
Yeah, you can't live in a camper without a washer and dryer. Gotta have clean clothes.